Today's project is fitting 3 engines, 3 front subframes, 3 rear subframes onto 3 shells with 3 lads in 3 hours. First car is the early 10-inch wheel GT. Second car is a tweed grey 65 Cooper S. And the third car is a non-genuine Cooper S Tribute in Farina grey. Right, we're ready now. Car being lowered onto the back and front subframes.
We're ready? Yeah, go down. Yeah, go on, keep going, you're alright. Yeah. Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on. Yeah. Go on, you're alright. Right. Right, hang on a sec. That one's... Yeah, go on, go down. Yeah. Line up. Yeah, keep going. That's it. I think that's us. That's it. Right.
All bolted up and ready to go. It's an early car, so it's a twin bolt fixing. Shockers are on. Next up, wheels to be fitted. Looking good with period 70s revolutions all fitted. Next one is our Mark 1 Cooper S in tweed grey. Right, we're all bolted in now. Front and back are on. With shockers fitted. Now ready for the wheels to go on. Wheels are now on. Some 4.5 by 10 silver rose petals. Work perfectly with this type of car. Right, the last of the 3 is this new colour Farina grey Cooper Racer over an old English white roof.
Yeah, go on, go down. Yeah, go on. Right, hang on a sec. Yeah, go on. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. That'll do.
Right, we're all bolted in now. It's a newer car, so it's a single bolt fixing. shockers are on.
Next wheels.
Next up is the wheels. Right, wheels are all on. 4.5 by 10 rose petals in silver, just to give it that race look. That's everything finished. Right, that's all 3 done. We have got Mark 1 Cooper S, Cooper Racer, and a 1275 GT. Three back subframes, 3 front subframes, 3 cars, 3 engines in 3 hours.